Hi guys, in this video I'm going to bring back your childhood memories. I'm talking about Parle biscuit. If you are from India, you must have had this biscuit. So this 800 gram jumbo pack has MRP of rupees 90, but you can buy this one from Amazon at a discounted price of rupees 70. It has a 4-month shelf life. And this jumbo pack, there are 10 individual biscuit packs stacked without a tray. Each biscuit has 16 biscuits. Not even a single biscuit was broken and there are no crumbs or powdered biscuit, so the packaging is full on. And there is something about these biscuits that everyone seems to like it. Like it when feels hungry, like it when wanting a sweet treat. It has a strange flavorfulness that even other similar biscuits don't have. And it tastes best with the milk. It has exact taste and crunch which I loved 25 years back. The first thing is the cute picture on the package still captures my attention, and until now I am unable to figure out if this is a boy or a girl. Most loved and cherished biscuit for sure, the Parle biscuit can never be old. Comment a thumbs up if in the middle of enjoying tea biscuit, one piece of the biscuit always fell down before coming to the mouth. Give it a try and subscribe for more videos.